I'm sitting here with my group of 8 other Singaporean friends, and we have come here for the Annapurna Base Camp trek. Yeah, we came here with YMCA, who organised the Singapore part of it, and Papa over here from Langkawi Expeditions has been our managing director and a wonderful guide to us generally, because she arranged for a very amazing accommodation, very smooth transport, very efficient, very timely, and all the guides and the porters were very friendly. I think all of us had a very good time on the trek. We had a lot of fun interacting with the guides, the porters, and also with the locals. We learned quite a bit about the Nepalese culture, about the Himalayan mountains, other treks that we can do and that we are now very excited to plan as well. And even when we came back to Kathmandu after that, I think everything was very well planned. We get to go and visit some heritage sites later just before heading to the airport. And I think all in all, we all had a very wonderful experience, and we are raring to come back to Nepal again and trek once again. So all in all, I would definitely recommend Langkawi Expeditions to anyone out there, be they Singaporean or not, if they want to come to Nepal to trek. And on behalf of the group, I would really like to thank Pampa as well as the rest of her team for helping to organize such a wonderful and memorable trip for all of us. Thank you!
Whoa.